Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the skin off of this guy. I mean, really the best thing to do is when you're at the butcher who's cutting this up for you, just tell him to take the skin off. But if you didn't, here's what we're gonna do.
Makes for a good visual.
You're gonna find,
You get to show off your knife skills.
you're gonna find a little lip, right?
Yeah.
You know how to do that?
Depends on what we're talking about here all of a sudden.
Fish!
Okay.
Okay, and now you're gonna take the skin here, and we're gonna push our knife at an angle here, and we're gonna glide our knife and flatten our knife.
You're putting a lot of pressure down there with your
Lots of
left hand?
pressure.
Okay. You're really holding on
I'm
to it.
holding this guy,
Okay.
right?
Take some serious...
So look.
Wow, that is perfectly clean. I'm legitimately impressed.
Nothing there.
I don't get as good results when I
Yeah.
do this at home.
So angle,
Yeah.
slide to flat.
And always sharpen the knife before you
Oh,
go
yeah.
in, right?
And now once you have enough leverage, then you can kind of
And you
start
can just pull. And
pulling. Look at
that
that.
came off so clean. I always leave a little bit on it.
It's all about the angle.
And it's and apparently the pressure. I always feel like I'm gonna rip it.
Yeah.
And ruin like the actual, like break the fish apart before it even becomes cooked.
Yeah.
Right.
Angle.
So angle first,
Mhm.
even at this point,
Yep.
even though you already started.
Yep. Now start to flatten. Really push down with that knife. Keep it as flat as you can. Just keep dragging it. Just keep sliding that knife. Fuck yeah, you got this, booby. Okay.
I get it.
I mean,
Oh, I missed a little spot here. Oh, I did. See, I left it. I was not as clean as you.
but not that bad.
No.
You know, not too bad.
Chop it off.
Yeah, chop it. I'm gonna flip the fish over. Let's check it out.
I
Okay.
missed a little piece.
A little bit, but you know what? Look at that.
Okay.
Not too
It's
bad.
not bad for
Not
my
too bad.
first time really trying to do that.
No.
I mean, I tried at home, but like I said, I'm afraid of like destroying when I'm pulling on. Oh yeah, just afraid to destroy.
What are you pulling on at home?
Well, a number of things.
All right, let's cut this fish up.
Okay.